Thanks for checking back in. Continuing the theme of using shortcuts in DraftSight, today's video will be exposing hidden text codes that save time and increase efficiency while including notes in your drawings. Text codes expedite the process of inserting various symbols and font characteristics into your designs. By just typing a text code into a note in your DraftSight workspace, it will activate its designated character or function in your text box right away. Starting with typing the text code %% into a simple note. This will make your following text underlined. Likewise, using the same procedure, but entering the code %%O, your text will be overlined. The last three text codes insert commonly used symbols, increasing clarity and quickening your labeling process. Starting with the code %%P, when entered, it becomes a plus-minus symbol. The code %D inserts a degree symbol. And finally, the code %C inserts a diameter symbol. So try them out for yourself to do more with your DraftSight experience. If you're looking to learn more, visit the blog page or visit DraftSight.com.